Hello everyone, welcome to Swagger Swoon. We're going to show you how to tie a self-tie bow tie. So for this one, you want to start with your ends slightly offset, like so, before taking your smaller end, so where the shaping starts, that should go over your top button there. You then want to bring your long end over the top until you have a cross like that one. You can then fold your long end up and under and tighten your bow tie there. Fold this end back across and then across there to give you your bow shape, and then fold this one down and around before tucking that one through that loop you've just created at the back there, like so. You can then tighten up your bow tie until you're happy with the shape.